Hey, it's Chris Doherty, Doherty Properties, coming to you with a weekly question that I want to ask you. Why are some houses selling while others are not? And I want to let you know that it's not about the market, it's about the property. So the first thing that we have to talk about is pricing. And this is the big one. Pricing is dictating properties that are getting high traffic and multi-bids by far. And homes that are overpriced are sitting and going stale, and they are not getting the numbers that the sellers hope because it was overpriced to begin with. So the first thing that you need to know is that pricing is an important component of whether or not your house is going to sell. Second, presentation. If your home is dark, if it's cluttered, if it doesn't look good, if you haven't got it ready to sell, it's likely to sit. Homes that are bright and clean and smell good and fresh, and when buyers walk in, they go, we can move in here. Those houses are winning the day because they have the presentation down and tight. Location is mattering more to buyers today than it has been, and making sure that whatever your location is, you are trying to make it appealing, making sure that the yard looks good, making sure that everything that you could do about your property and highlight the features and where it's located will help you win in this market. And I want to go into condition a little bit more, that it's not just presentation, but if your home has serious problems, if the roof needs to be replaced, if the plumbing is all leaking and you're not fixing it, if the floors are all beat up, if the condition of the property is such that it doesn't look good and not move-in ready, buyers are hesitating, they're waiting on those properties, and you are getting lowball offers because people are saying, hey, I gotta go in here, either flip it or fix it, or it's gonna take a lot of time for the buyer. So condition really matters, okay? The fifth thing we want to talk about, marketing. You gotta market it right. The photo presentation has to be good. You have to hire the right real estate agent. No longer can you hire your cousin, your friend, the part-time agent that doesn't sell. You need to make sure you have an agent and a team behind you that's gonna get that property everywhere, that they're going to have an open house strategy, that they're going to have an online strategy, that they're going to have a strategy to get buyers in, so you make sure that the right eyeballs are hitting your property. And that is such a critical piece to making sure you are going to sell in this market. And finally, timing. When do you sell? When do you go on the market? And this is spring. This is a good time to be making a move. And for me, what I've always believed, and I disagree with some of the other opinions out there, you list on a Monday or a Tuesday. You give us the opportunity to push your property for the open house on Saturdays and Sundays. We treat it like an event. We're making sure all the sites have your information so that it shows up and people can schedule it. We're calling through all of our previous inquiries on other properties that may be a good fit. We're email blasting, we're social media blasting. Think of it like a party. You can't plan the party in 24 hours. You need a good week to make sure that the push is happening the right way. That's why some properties are selling, multi-bids, over list, going gangbusters. And that's why some are sitting. I hope that helps. If you want to make a move and sell, give us a call. That's what we do, and we do it tremendously. And we hope to work with you, and I look forward to seeing you soon. I hope you have a great April. Thanks.